Got this weedeater, 15 horsepower weedeater brand riding mower. Only works when the choke's on. It'll run. Clean the carb twice. Didn't help. Do the choke. It'll run. Warms up. Shuts off. You turn it on with the choke. You put the choke down. It stalls out. It's got this enduro motor, whatever. So you take this one out. Take this one out. These guys, hold this on, it's 11 mil. Take that off. These, to take these out, you're talking 5/32. The toothy kind, right? The 12 point. That's what you need for this, to take these out. I got this guy. Got this guy off the eBay. Ooh, nice. Oh, that's nice. Nice one of them. I haven't even looked at it. Yeah, it looks right. Looks like the right one. You know what I'm saying? But you gotta be careful because on eBay they sell ones that have solenoids on this side. This side right here is plugged on this one, but they have like a fuel solenoid on the other ones. You gotta be careful. Coming into an issue here. This one just you twist and it'll come out. This one we're having a bit of a time. It's like a plastic grommet. Don't want to bust it, but I will if I'm not careful. Alright, so this comes with a brand new one. See, there's a little plastic grommet in there. And what ended up happening was I just twisted it enough and then the dome came out there. One thing you're going to want to make sure you do before you put it all together is check the box for, you know, spare parts that might go right there. You're going to want to make sure the gasket is doing gasket stuff, or you'll be taking it off again. Try choking it.